Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech feature unboxing. At eto na, i-unbox na natin tong Oppo Find X8 from Oppo Philippines. Okay, actually matagal ko nang ginagamit tong phone na to for almost a month na. Thank you kay Oppo Philippines for giving me a chance to try this phone, the Oppo Find X8, which is for me the best camera phone ever. Dahil nagustuhan ko yung kanyang photo quality at video quality. At itong phone na to, ginamit ko na to for my vlogging. Kung napapanood yung mga videos ko sa aking YouTube channel, all of those are taken and shot with the Oppo Find X8. Lalo yung mga lifestyle event. And also yung mga unboxing ko. Ito yung ginamit kong phone for my unboxing. At dahil dyan, for the tradition sa ating channel, at dahil susoli ko na ito kay Oppo Philippines, hiram ko lang to. Ay nilang ibigay sa akin. I-unbox na natin to para mapakita ko sa inyo yung laman nito. Also, i-share ko sa inyo yung tech rundown, tech specs ng Oppo Find X8. One of my favorite phone. By the way, itong phone, itong video is recorded using the Oppo Reno 13. So, ayan. Alright, before we unbox this, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ng Oppo Find X8 from Oppo Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Okay, ito na yung tech specs ni Oppo Find X8 from Oppo Philippines. Okay, paboritong phone, grabe. So, yung kanyang display, meron siyang 6.59 inches na FHD Plus AMOLED display, yung kanyang screen. At meron siyang 94.3% screen to body ratio. So medyo malawak-lawak din siya, Gusto ko kasi sing handle kasi itong phone na ito, napakaganda, napaka-sakto sa kamay ko, At kanyang pixel resolution is 2760 by 1256 pixel resolution. At meron siyang 120 Hz refresh rate. At meron siyang 120 up to 240 Hz na touch sampling rate. Hindi ko siya na-try sa gaming, Parang ginawa ko siyang device for vlogging lang talaga, tsaka photography. At meron siyang 2.07 billions of colors, 460 ppi, 3840 Hz na PW dimming. Totoo yun, hindi siya masakit sa mata. At meron siyang 800 nits normal brightness. At meron siyang 1600 nits na HBM, parang ito yung pinakamataas ata niya, Na ito pa pala, 4500 nits peak brightness. Meron pa pala paduktong yung sa akin tech specs. At ang kanyang screen is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. At meron siyang Dolby Vision sa screen niya. At meron siyang TUV Raylan Eye Comfort 4.0 certification. Talagang nasubukan ko na siya. Hindi siya masakit sa mata. Napaka-comfy sa mata ko. For the body, meron siyang 193 grams na weight at 7.85mm thickness. Nagustuhan ko yung body niya kasi sobrang gaan niya at sobrang tamang-tama lang yung size niya for my hand. Hindi sumasakit yung kamay ko. For the CPU ni Oppo Find X8, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 9400. This is an octa-core at ang kanyang GPU is Immortalis G925MC12. So ayan, ang OS niya is Color OS 15.0 na based din sa Android na rin din yan, syempre. For the memory, gumagamit siya 12GB of RAM at 256GB of storage. Medyo mababa yung storage niya, 256. Pero I think so, baka meron itong Python, I'm not sure. Hindi ko nakita yung, yes, that's it, Parang for this na nahawakan ko, 256 lang talaga siya. Ba't ganun, Later on, check natin, Hindi ko na-check siya kung meron siyang extended RAM. Tsaka kung kaya siyang lagyan ng micro SD. Nalimutan kong tingin nyo kasi pag bukas ko, ginamit ko na kagad. And now, for the camera specs, dahil ito yung pinakang gusto ko dito, yung camera specs kasi nito is gumagamit siya ng Hasselblad lens, one of the best lenses ever. So, for the rear camera ni Oppo Find X8, meron siyang triple rear camera, napakaganda, all 50 megapixel. Yung unang 50 megapixel is an ultra-wide camera with 2.0 aperture na may autofocusing at isa pang 50 megapixel na wide-angle camera na 1.8 aperture na merong automatic focusing at OIS. At isa pa, yung third niya is 50 megapixel telephoto camera na may 2.6 aperture at merong autofocusing at OIS na rin din siya. Napakaganda. And this is a Hasselblad lens sa rear camera at meron siyang natawag na Hasselblad portrait mode for the lens at meron siyang ultra compact 3x periscope telephoto feature at lightning snap camera photo feature na 7 frame per second. Which is pinakang gusto ko talaga yung camera niya, no? Taking photos, napakabilis. Pag-click mo, walang delay, wala akong nami-miss the moment, especially if you're doing video recording, no? Speaking of the video recording, no, it can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS video recording at meron siyang 10-bit HDR Dolby Vision in video recording, yung kanyang feature na rin din, at meron siyang EIS na OIS na rin din. Kumbaga, maling spelling ko ng ESI. So that's EIS at saka OIS. For the slow motion, meron siyang 1080p to 240 FPS sa kanyang speed, no? Cinematic 4K 30 FPS. Time lapse niya is 4K 30 FPS. Dual view video is 1080p 30 FPS. Meron siyang 3x optical zoom, 18x digital zoom. Ang camera mode ng rear camera is photo, video, portrait, night mode, panorama, cinematic, slow-mo, long exposure, dual view video, time-lapse, sticker, document scanner, expand, at high-res and master. So yung kanyang sa rear camera, napakaganda ng feature ng kanyang rear camera. For the front camera naman ni Oppo Find X8, gumagamit siya ng 32 megapixel na may 2.4 aperture, can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS video recording, may EIS at OIS na rin siya. For the camera mode, it's photo, video, portrait, night mode, panorama, dual view video, time-lapse, sticker. So ayun. Ito talagang pinakang selling point ni Oppo Find X8. It's the camera. It's the Hasselblad camera lens. Ang laki ng difference niya pag gumamit kayo nito. For the battery specs naman ni Oppo Find X8, meron siyang 5,630 mAh battery na meron 80 watts na Super VOOC fast charging at 50 watts na Air VOOC wireless charging. So meron siyang wireless charging, no? At you can get the 80 watts super fast niya, no? Yung Super VOOC fast charging. Just use yung kanyang charging brick tsaka yung cable. Kailangan original. For the other specs naman ni Oppo Find X8, this is a 5G ready phone. Dual nano SIM siya. May eSIM supported siya. It's a Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5. Meron siyang Bluetooth 5.4. This is a USB Type-C port. Ang ear jack niya is Type-C na rin din. May NFC, OTG, fingerprint at facial recognition scan. Meron siyang 4 na microphone at meron siyang tawag na Oppo AI feature, which is meron siyang AI Unblur, AI Clarity, Enhancer, AI Reflection Remover, AI Eraser, AI Writer, Reply, and Summary. For the AI, no, ang nagagamit ko lang dito is yung kanyang AI Eraser. Napakaganda ng AI Eraser niya, very accurate. At meron siyang AI assistance for notes, translate documents, AI re-image. Meron siyang link boost na rin din, katulad ng mga series ng mga Oppo, meron na yung link boost, no. 360 degrees surround antenna, yung sa body niya, may buo yan, antenna yan. Triple antenna Wi-Fi system. You can also share with an iPhone yung mga, I think yung mga images or mga media files mo, pwede mo siyang i-share sa iPhone, which is one of the best feature na rin din sa Oppo ngayon. At meron siyang IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance na IP rating. That's good, no? Pero hindi ko pa na-try siya basahin. Ayoko siyang basahin kasi hindi sa akin to eh. Meron siyang splash touch feature at saka theft protection na it is an intelligently recognized theft scenarios and automatically lock your phone to prevent privacy breaches. You can remotely lock and wipe your user data even if it's turned off. Uy, ang tindi nito. I think gagana ata to if you are logged into your Oppo ID, no? Yung user interface niya, yung login nyo. For the body color, meron siyang space black, star gray, at shell pink, and yung ginagamit ko dito is a space black na 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. It's a space black yung gamit ko. Maganda yung black niya, no? Hindi ko pa nakita yung tsura ng star gray tsaka shell pink. For the SRP, it's 54,000 pesos. Grabe, napakamahal, pero sobrang sulit siya. Ako pinag-isipan ko talagang kung bibili na ako, no? Kasi napakaganda ng niya, ng camera features niya. Para kung bibili ko, hindi na ako bibili ng phone kasi dito sulit lang. Yung 256GB of storage, medyo nalilitan ako kasi parang huling gamit ko nito, naubusan na ako ng space eh. So buti na lang kapag backup ako at nag-upload na ako ng mga files ko. Alright, so that's it. Tapos na tayo discuss ng tech specs. So, gawin natin is i-unbox na natin itong Oppo Find X8 from Oppo Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so here's the Oppo Find X8, the Oppo AI phone from Oppo Philippines. So, I got here, ito yung ganda nito, no? Oppo ay Hasselblad collaboration sila. Napakaganda. Alright, so I got the space black na body, 12GB at 256GB of storage. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Alright, open na natin. So, pag bumili kayo ng 54,000 na phone, you get the phone, no? So, check natin, no? So, ang laman nito ay dito yung kanyang SIM tray pin, some of the manuals, yung kanyang rubber plastic casing, yan. Oh, okay, very black yung kanyang kulay. And also the phone, here's the phone, napakaganda, no? So, set aside muna natin yan. And also, you also get the yung kanyang 80 watts na charging brick. Ayan. Super VOOC fast charge, and also the USB Type-C cable. So, ayan. So, itong makukuha ninyo pag bumili kayo ng Oppo Find X8. The phone, SIM tray pin, casing, manuals, charging brick, at USB-C cable. Alright, tandaan nyo yan. Alright, so here's the phone, yung Oppo Find X8. Napakaganda ng phone na to. One of the best phones na na-try ko for this year. At lumabas lang to last year, no? At talagang gusto ko talaga siya matry. At talagang subok ko na talaga siya. Napakaganda ng camera nito. Grabe. So, examine natin. No? So, here's the back of the phone. And here's the may Oppo logo. And here's the camera module niya. Tatlong 50 megapixel. Ayan. I think so. I'm not sure kung ano to. Baka ano lang to. Display lang. Kaya para makita apat na bilog siya. Para mas mabalance yung itsura niya. No? I think it's a sensor. May sensor pala siya. And also there's a flash here. Flash. Ayan. So for the front camera, sa unahan, ito yung front camera niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So ayan. Ayan ang front camera niya. At sa taas, I think it's a microphone or speaker here. It's a microphone to speaker. Ayan. I think so. Ayan. At sa left side is itong switches to, it's for parang sa speaker siya. Kung gusto mo siyang i-mute, up mo lang siya. Pagkagitna, I think it's vibrate at pagkagitna makita ba natin? Silent, yung dulo. Gitna is vibrate, matas pag nakababa, it's naka-ring. Yung talagang niya, yung original niya. So sa baba, it's the SIM tray. May microphone at speaker, tsaka USB Type-C port. Sa right side, it's the volume at tsaka yung power button niya. Ayan. So, check natin yung SIM tray niya. No? Wait lang. Alright, I got now my SIM tray pin. So, tusok na natin to dito. And we got it. Boom! So, dual nano SIM nga siya. Pero wala kang way to put a micro SD. Okay, balik na natin to. So, stuck ka na for the 256GB of storage. Yun lang, nakakalungkot. Sana ginawa nila 512, no? Tapos 54,000, which is okay na rin din. Sayang. Hasayangan ako. So, ito na-set up ko na to at ginamit ko na to for a month already. Kumbaga, facial recognition is very fast. Pero syempre, no? At saka login muna tayo. Ayan, nakalagin na ako. So, check natin yun. Yung facial recognition niya is very fast. Ayan, ganun lang. Nakascan na kagad ako. Swipe up lang. At yung kanyang fingerprint is also okay and fast. Ayan. Okay siya. Walang delay. So, this is the UI ng Oppo Find X8. Hindi ko napilitan yung wallpaper niya. Gusto ko yung gantong style. Kasi pag gantong, ito yung parang maroonish color niya. Tsaka yung ganyong design is parang it's the signature for the Oppo Find X8. So, the screen is very nice. Napakaganda. At check natin yung kanyang settings, no? Yung kanyang, so, kung ba makikita yung sa memory niya. Ayun. So, it's a 12GB of RAM plus additional 12GB of extended RAM. So, you get a 24GB of RAM. Ginawa ko, tinodo ko na siya. So, naka 24GB of RAM tayo na, which is kumuha siya ng space dun sa internal memory ng aking phone. So, ayan. Alright. So, napakaganda ng screen niya. And for the camera, ito yung camera niya, yung pinakamalaki nila, napakaganda ng camera nila. No? So, meron siyang 0.6x na wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, tsaka 6x, and up to 120x, which is hindi ko pa nagagamit niya, but I'm also, parang pa nag-shoot ako ng video or photo, 10 to 20x lang naman siya. For the selfie, here's a selfie mode. Ayan, nakita niyo yung Oppo Reno 13, gamit ko for vlogging. Napakaganda ng phone. Pero siyang 0.8x for the wide angle sa front at 1x. So, pwede kayo mag-selfie. Ganda, oh. Napakabilis. Even the rear camera, napakabilis, napakaganda. Tsaka yung quality niya, it's very nice kung ganun kabilis, no? Ito yung tsura ko. Medyo nag-blur ng konti. But, ayan, everything is captured by the camera. Ganun kabilis, ganun kaganda. Wala siyang delay. For the video, 4K siya for shooting, but I'm shooting at 1080p, 30 FPS palagi kasi ayoko mag 4K. At meron siyang steady shot, ultra steady shot kung gusto niyo mas super smooth. Pero may OIS, EIS naman to. So, sa video is very stabilized naman. So, sa video mode, rear camera, meron siyang 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3x, tsaka 6x, up to video nyo is 18x. So, talo pa niya yung ibang phone. Kasi yung mga ibang phones hanggang 10x lang pag video eh. So, yun ang ano niya. At ito yung kanyang tsura pagka front camera na video. So, wala siyang way to switch 2D wide or 1x. So, yun lang. Nakakalungkot lang. Yun lang ginagamit niya. No? So, meron siyang shooting mode na master. Master is, I think you can tinker some of the settings here. Parang master is pro version, no, for video or photo pala. Pang photo lang pala to, pang photo lang pala. Pero yung auto or pro, video mode, photo, may portrait mode. Portrait mode is one of the best na rin din. At nagustuhan to ng wife ko pa nagte-take kami ng pictures for our travel. No? Nagustuhan niya yung ano, yung quality nito. Mamaya magpapakita ako ng sample. For more, merong night mode, high-res, panoramic, movie, slow-mo, time-lapse, long exposure, dual video sticker, dock scanner, at expand. Expand kasi parang ano siya, parang very wide yung ano niya, very pang panoramic yung style niya, yung expand niya. So, ayun ang features ni Oppo Find X8 na paganda ng camera na to, which is the camera, the build, and also gumagamit ako ng Blackmagic camera app if I'm going to use this phone for doing some of my tawag dito vlogging. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi kailangan ko yung yung audio monitor kasi nakakabit yung microphone ko. Also, dito sa Oppo Reno ko, naka Blackmagic camera app na rin din ako. So, lahat ng ko, kasi may microphone ako, I need to see if it's recording the audio. So, importante sa akin yun kasi kumagamit ako ng microphone. So, yung mga some of the apps na ginagamit ko, yan, mga the usual, Facebook, YouTube, the usual stuff, the usual YouTube Studio, Lightcut for editing my videos. This is for DJI app siya. Okay na rin din siya paggawa ng mga reels. At for the sample photos natin, ito mga neto na sa labas ako ng bahay. Taking photos of product shots. Malinaw na malinaw, no? Pero don't worry, I'll show you some sample of videos. Sample photos taken by the Oppo Find X8. At makikita nyo napakaganda ng camera quality na. And also video. So panoorin nyo itong next segment natin, which is a samples of my photos and also videos. Okay, photos and videos, pasok na kayo.
kasing kumanin.
Ah!
Red cutie!
Ayun! Go! 150. Oh! Galing ka, mama!
Dinosaur mo?
Ayan, no? Ibon pala. Ayan, no? Ito, sa video ko. Look.
Sir.
So ayun, nakita nyo na no, yung photos and videos nakita nyo talaga na talagang nag-enjoy ako in using this phone kasi yung camera at photo niya very parang yung quality, yung color mood is nakuha niya yung gusto kong style. Tsaka pagdating sa mga portrait mode, mga travel photos, napakaganda. Lalo na pag you're taking photos of your girlfriend or your wife or yung jowa mo, no? They will love it kasi napakaganda ng quality nitong Oppo Find X8. So, yung 54,000 pesos. So, maghanda na kayo dahil napakaganda nito. So, kung next year ako bibili, sana naging 20 na lang to, no? And ayoko tong i-let go. Talagang napakaganda itong phone na to. For me, one of the best. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibang brand. Seryoso talaga. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga ibang brands after I used this. Pero syempre, it's a review unit na sosoli ko na bukas kay Oppo Philippines. But still, na-try ko yung best phone nila. At least meron ako ipagmamalaki na one of the best phone itong Oppo Find X8. Alright, so that's it guys for our vlog for today, for our tech feature. Talagang nasubukan na natin. Ang ganda itong Oppo Find X8 with Hasselblad lens. So, napakaganda. Yun ang sabi ko talaga, if I'm going to recommend a phone, eto na talaga yun. All around, yung build niya, yun lang, 256GB of storage. Medyo maliit, sana 512, no? Well, hopefully next year, kung mag-X9 sila, sana dapat 512GB. Yun lang naman yung lowdown niya. So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Maraming salamat kay Oppo Philippines for lending me for a month itong Oppo Find X8. Alright, kita-kits sa next Oppo video natin.